Alright, so we got our battery in. Do a point of reference here. We're going to take out our swollen battery right now. So this battery, new battery, comes from iFixit. Put the link in the comments down there for everyone. There we go. So you're going to use the tri-tip screwdriver here for this. Instant pop. So there's also one hidden underneath this tab here. Do another point of reference. So this is the swollen battery there. As you can see, pretty bad condition. So now that that's all done, what we're going to do is look at this trackpad because it was popping out from that battery. So what it looks like this has become distorted from that battery. So what we're going to need to do is somehow depress it back down. Just kind of like that. Now the trackpad is a little bit higher. Than normal. So all the way around this trackpad should be depressed like here. This side up here is raised. So just gonna kind of look at the back here. It's just gonna take a good old-fashioned kind of push. There we go. Perfect. Just want to make sure that whatever we do stays in place. Okay. So there's little brackets here. Now you can adjust these brackets so it raises it up and down, but because that whole battery issue popped it up, we had to tweak it so it went back down here. So as long as I got everything open, we're gonna go ahead and get this hard drive out as long as we're in here. Now this is just a regular Phillips bit, which if you buy one of these batteries, it's totally worth it just for this tool. Don't have to switch anything, they're all the same. So that's probably the loosest screw in this. Gotta take the bracket out on both sides here. I tell you, this screwdriver actually doesn't fit that well in there, so I will utilize my Stanley set here, which actually has a finer tip. I'll leave that in my comments for for the iFixit crew. Now I believe that you should be able to, if I am correct about this. We'll go just like that. So, well, as you guys can see, it's obvious that I haven't done this before, otherwise I would have known that you don't have to take these screws out for this other bracket. So now, gotta put them back in. So, I also got a little overzealous and kind of yanked on this cord, but that's okay because it has additional connection points, so nothing got harmed. Okay, so now I'm going to do the old Samsung 500 EVO here, which is one of the recommended brands from a guy that I talked to who's a very Mac expert. EVO, look at that, it's a baby. So you gotta take these screws off and put them into the solid state here. And of course these are Torx heads, because Apple is Apple. It'd be really embarrassing if I didn't even hit the record button. Oh, I did. So, get these off here. Wow, this Torx head that's supposed to work with these is not the right size. Well, definitely gonna leave a comment about that. So it's supposed to be a T6, which is what iFixit sends, but their bit is actually not sharp enough to go in there correctly. It's a little embarrassing. I guess I will give them a call and tell them that it's crap. So, another funny thing to discuss while I'm doing this, and I'll show you guys later, is that the screen on this actually does not have the glass cover, which I thought felt weird when I first looked at it, but didn't even really notice until I was really looking at all the videos and handling one at work, and all of a sudden I was just like, wait a second, why does mine feel different? So, now I got it all fully assembled. Slip this guy back on. Boom. Samsung solid state.